when it's hurting does never add up to peace. You start to wonder who's playing. Play me, play who? Lucky I'm stronger than ever. Got the arrangement to leave. You can go on and collect some memories of me. Abandoning is a hard word to use, but it's true. So challenging life with you, but I'm all through.
Hey dear friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Selle. Today's video is full of laundry motivation plus speed cleaning and some home decorating. I'm so excited to show this to you, so stay tuned and enjoy this video. As always, every time I do my laundry, I start by sorting the clothes by either category or color. For my son's clothes, I do it by category. All the going out clothes together and inside clothes are together but separate from the bottoms to shirts. I do the same for my clothes, but I also separate mine by color. Whites and lights are together, separated from darks. I use Arm & Hammer detergent for my son's clothes since he is allergic to the ones that I use for my clothes, which is extra. And then I use Downy for fabric softener. I will list all the products I use in the description box below if you wanna check it out.
Gone away and gone for good. I did everything I could, but you can't remember me. Gone away and gone for good. I did everything I should, but you can't remember me. Every little thing that was said, it doesn't matter now when I leave, and our song is playing, play on. Every little thing that was said, it doesn't matter now when I leave, and our song is playing, play on. No more illusion for us two. I'm really done for the day. Fighting a battle of blaming, blame me, blame who? Lucky I don't have to reason, sort out or uncomplicate. The road is leading me and I'm on my way. Abandoning is a hard word to use, but it's true. So challenging life with you, but I'm all through. Gone away and gone for good. I did everything I could, but you can't remember me. Gone away and gone for good. I did everything I should, but you can't remember me. Every little thing that was said, it doesn't matter now when I leave, and our song is playing, play on. Every little thing that was said, it doesn't matter now when I leave, and our song is playing, play on. Remember.
The kitchen is quite a mess, so I am also going to tidy up here and vacuum the floor. If you are new here to my channel, hello and welcome. I am so glad you're here. My name is Selle. I am a wife and a full-time working mommy of one sweet boy. I upload new video every single week about realistic cleaning motivation, satisfying home organization, and a little bit of mom life. I would really love it if you subscribe to my channel and join my YouTube family for more videos like this. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and tuning in. I truly do appreciate all your love and support. There's not gonna be a lot of talking in this video. I wanna focus on bringing you tons of motivation, but if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to ask and let me know in the comments box below.
I did everything I could, but you can't remember me. Gone away and gone for good. I did everything I should, but you can't remember me. Every little thing that was said, it doesn't matter now when I leave, and our song is playing, play on. Every little thing that was said, it doesn't matter now when I leave.
until break of dawn. Baby, it's the two of us. I know you won't let me down. Talking to me, don't you leave me for myself. In a room of flashing lights, you pull me closer as we dance, as we dance. It's you and me tonight. You know we could get undressed, undressed. Look in my eyes and holding me close, I know you won't let me down. For the rest of the night, until break of dawn. Baby, it's the two of us. I know you won't let me down.
just as bad as you. Just as bad as you. Just as bad as you.
I don't buy home decor for every season. As you all know, they tend to be expensive. So when I pick up home decorations, it has to be versatile to where I can use it pretty much all year round. I'm slowly still collecting pieces that I truly love and not rushing to buy anything. Whatever I have in my house are pretty much the ones that I already have or my husband already have before we met. So I'm just like using that to fill up areas that are empty.
Come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion, I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean, I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games. Baby, you won't change, I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you.
I bought some new curtains since the ones we have now is from the old house and we have this for 5 years now. So my husband and I decided it's time to change it and give our house a little refresh. I picked this up from Target. I love the color and design. It is subtle and not in your face prints.
It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. 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 Let me go, let me go. I told you I'm not yours anymore. No, I'm not yours. So why you trying to hold on when I'm not there for you? Wanna take a different lane, wanna play my own game, and I don't need you here. So won't you let me go? Wanna take this ball and chain that you have put on me and throw it out the window. I think that you should let go, cause you know this is not meant to be. Let go. Maybe I should have known that you are not the right one for me. Let go. I should have known you are not right for me. So let go. let me go. Go, go, let me go, go, go. Don't call me, I don't wanna talk to you. I'm better off not talking to you. But why you trying to hold on, to hold on, to hold on? Wanna take a different lane, wanna play my own game, and I don't need your hair, so won't you let me go? Wanna take this ball and chain that you have put on me and throw it out the window. I think that you should let go, cause you know this is not meant to be. Let go, maybe I should have known that you are not the right.
I have been wanting to make a gallery wall for a long time now and display my favorite pictures that I took with my phone on our wall. I am so glad how this turned out. It was exactly as I imagined. Let me know in the comments down below what you all think.
So let go, let me go, go, let me go, go. Let me go, let me go, let me go, go, let me go, go, let me go, 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 let me go, go, go. I told you.
Folding is definitely not my favorite thing to do. That's probably why I don't do laundry as often as I should. Let me know in the comments down below what chore in your house is your least favorite thing to do.
Maybe I should have known that you are not the right one for me. Let go. I think that you should let go, cause you know this is not meant to be. Let go. Maybe I should have known that you are not the right one for me. You are not right for me, so let go. I was facing all the sunlight while our feet swung freely from the bridge.
I hope you find this video motivating and helpful. I hope I inspire you to get up and tackle your own mess at home. And if I did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up as it helps my channel. Comment down below and share this to your friend to inspire them as well. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, it's totally free, and turn the notification bell on so you wouldn't miss any more of my future uploads. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate you and your time spent with me, and I will talk to you all again on my next video. Bye!